Our journey today has brought us an hour outside of Melbourne, where we've met a young man by the name of Jesse who has built his own tiny home.
And he's built a tiny home out of completely recyclable material, well, most of it anyway.
He certainly has, with the #1 goal of living more self-sustainably.
And he has done just that. Thanks for having us, mate.
No worries, thanks for coming down and having a look.
Oh, mate, we're stoked. When Kim saw this, I said, we've got to get in touch with this guy because this is an absolute gem. Now, you've built this tiny home out of pretty much like 70% of recyclable materials.
That's right, yeah.
I notice on the outside, it's all sort of like hardwood fence palings.
Yeah, hardwood fence palings, just cut up into about yay length.
Yep. And just overlap like tiles on the roof?
Yeah, to make the shingles, and yeah.
So, mate, how long have you been living off-grid?
Fully off-grid, probably 3 years, which is how long I've been living in this house.
And that's when you built this 3 years ago?
Yeah.
So 3 years, still going strong?
Still going strong.
How long did it take you to build it?
2 months, 3 months.
Is that all?
That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
As tiny homes go, this one's completely portable, I noticed, because there's a trailer underneath.
Yeah. It's fully portable, has a few wheels to be towed along when the need arises.
Obviously, off-grid, there's no power here, so you're completely self-sufficient on solar?
Yeah, I got solar, 750 watts in terms of panel, and then I've got a 1200 watt inverter,
Yep.
which does everything that I need.
How about we go inside and check out what you've done in... So I know living tiny, storage is paramount, otherwise you just have stuff everywhere. I noticed you got some things hanging up, but what are your other storage solutions that you've come up with?
Yeah, so hanging is pretty important because if not, then you're taking up a lot of interior cupboard space, which could be used for other stuff. But I've tried to incorporate cupboards and drawers into anything and everything, such as the stairs. But it's also about minimising how many things that you have as well.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a practice in that.
And how are you finding it? Because you used to live in a van, so coming into a bigger space.
Going from a van into a space like this definitely felt like an upgrade for me, as opposed to a downgrade. So it's been nice having that space to breathe.
So now we're all the way down the other end of the house, Jesse. Being in your lounge room here, I've noticed with the pitch roof, it just gives you a big feel of so much more room in here, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. That was
Like
definitely...
just closed off, it just wouldn't have that same effect.
Yeah, it was definitely a consideration when building it.
Obviously, with the big windows too, that helps, lots of airflow.
Yeah.
With the pitch roof and the massive windows.
Yeah.
You just got so much air coming through here, and obviously the insulation you thought of. So I suppose when it comes to building a tiny home out of recycled materials, it comes down to a lot of planning, like you said you did.
Yeah.
So, and you can see that has really paid off, mate.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
But no, you've done very well, mate, and your use of storage and space in here is excellent.
Thank you, thanks very much. And yeah, 100%, if you're thinking about doing it, I think you should just go and do it.
Well, Jesse, thank you very much for inviting us down to see your beautiful home that you've built. It's been a real pleasure.
No worries, thanks
Inspiring.
for coming down. Yeah, you're welcome anytime.
Beer still in the fridge.
Beers are still in the fridge.